Hello, how are
Hi,
you?
I'm good, and you? And what's your name?
I'm feeling great today.
Good. And what's your name?
My name is Ahmed.
Ahmed. And where are you from, Ahmed?
Yeah, I'm from Iraq.
Iraq. Okay, my name is Jessica, and
Yeah.
I am from South Africa. Do you know South
Oh,
Africa?
yeah, I heard before.
Ah, cool. And what do you do? Are you working?
Yeah, I'm working. I have a computer shop. I am the
Ah,
owner.
that's so cool. It's nice to be your own boss.
Yes, of
Mm,
course.
that's
Yeah.
awesome. And what kind of things do you sell? Like laptops and things like that?
Yes, I fix the laptops and
Mm.
I sell the laptops also. And I sell the accessories for computers.
Mm-hmm. That's
Yes.
excellent. And
Yes.
how long have you had your business for?
Around 15 years.
Wow, a long time.
Yes. I
Um,
love I love my job.
mm, and is it flexible? Can you take time off if you need to?
Yes, because I am the
Yep.
manager.
Yes.
So
Should I take time off? Yes, you can.
yes, I can. I always can.
That's so
Yes.
cool.
Yes.
And are you married?
Yeah, I'm married and I have 3 kids. I married about around 10 years ago.
Cool. And how old are
Yeah.
your children?
Um, the first one is a girl.
Mm-hmm.
Her name is Lara, and she turns 9. And the other one is Ibrahim.
Mm-hmm.
He is 5 old, and
Mm-hmm.
the youngest boy is 2 years.
Mm-hmm. And what's his name? What's the youngest's name?
Muhammad.
Muhammad. Oh, cute. I
Yes.
have two children. I have
Yes.
my son. His name is Riley, and
Yes.
he is 14. And then my daughter, her name is Murphy, and she is 11. Yeah.
Yeah, that's
So,
nice.
yes, but I have been married for this year will be 20 years. Oh.
Oh, that's amazing. That's amazing.
A long time.
Yes, a long, long time. Yes.
And I knew,
Cool.
yeah, it is. I knew my husband when we were at school, at
Yeah.
junior school. So
Yeah.
I met him when I think I was 6 and he was 8 years old. So I met him when I was very young, but I only started dating him uh, way after school. Very strange. Ah, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear
Yeah.
you. Yeah.
Okay, good, 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 good.
Yeah.
Disappeared for a second. Yeah.
Yes.
So yeah, a long time. But
Yes, a lot.
I'm happy. Uh, he's the right person for me, and we get on very well. We have lots of fun, and we have fun with our children, which is very important. And yeah, so happy. So, are you
You
not
met
working? Huh? Yeah.
you met from the chat.
Yes. Yes. From when I was
Yeah.
young. Yes.
Oh,
And
that's very
then
amazing.
he, I lived in England. We got
Yeah.
married in England.
Yes.
And even though we both were born in South Africa, he has his father was born in England, so he has a British passport.
Yes.
So we got married in England.
Yes.
Um, but then, the immigration people in England, they often see South African people marrying British people because they
Yes.
want to have a passport. So when they saw me, they said, another South African marrying a British person for a passport. I said, No, I have known him since he was 8. So they were like, wow. They were amazed. It's a long time. Oh, goodness. And you're not working today?
No, but I'm late for working today. I work a part-time because today
Mm-hmm.
is Thursday, the day
Mm-hmm.
before the weekend.
Yes. So
Yes.
just a little bit of time. Okay.
Yes, I'm always exciting about the day before the weekend, you
Yes,
know.
me too.
Yeah.
And what are you going to do this weekend? Have you got plans?
Maybe yeah, I going to make a barbecue tomorrow. Yeah. My
Very nice.
my brother tell me the new way of barbecue.
Oh, he's given you some new. So in
Eh,
South Africa,
Yes,
we call barbecue, we call it braai. This is,
Bry.
yes, this is an Afrikaans word. So Afrikaans, this is my second language. In South Africa, we speak Afrikaans, which sounds like Dutch. It's very similar to Dutch.
Yes,
And we say braai, which means that we're cooking on the fire.
on the fire. Yeah,
Yeah, yeah. So
like a
tonight we will
barbecue.
have a yes, we will have a braai tonight with family and friends.
Yes,
So that
yes,
would be good. Then
and
I don't have to cook.
yeah, and you don't have washing the plates,
No. I tell the children they must use paper plates. They know what.
disposable plates.
Yes, in the bin afterwards.
Yeah,
Yes, very good.
yes,
And then what will you have with your barbecue? You'll have meat and
yeah, of
what
course.
else? What else will you
Um,
have?
this barbecue include potatoes and
Mm-hmm.
tomatoes
Mm-hmm.
and meat.
Mm-hmm.
So we put it in cellophane,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
yeah, and cut it like a pillow
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
and put it on the fire around
Okay.
2 hours.
Oh, delicious.
Yes,
That sounds
uh,
good.
and dig the pillow
Mm-hmm.
to to make a nice smell. Yeah,
Yes.
yes, very
So
delicious.
yeah, so we will cook different meat. We will have maybe chicken, beef,
I
whatever.
prefer I prefer beef.
Yes,
Y-
it's
y-
good.
yes, for
And
barbecue.
you know, South African people drinking alcohol, so
Yeah.
they take the beer and they put the beer on the meat as well. It tastes nice.
Oh, yeah, yeah. I see this one from American movie.
Yes.
Yes, and I don't know
The
uh,
taste.
the taste.
Yeah, it's quite nice. Um,
Haha.
it's good. And in South Africa, we will have the meat, and then we will make potato
Yes.
salad. So cook potato, then put mayonnaise and egg on it, boiled egg,
Uh-huh.
and then
Yeah.
we will have salad. So lettuce and tomato and cucumber and carrots in like a salad. Uh,
Yes.
and then we like to have it's called uh, oh, I didn't spell it wrong. Chakalaka. Hold on. It's called chakalaka beans. This is hot beans with curry. It's very
Uh-huh.
nice. Mm.
Yes. You boiling the potato?
Yes, yes, boiling the
Uh-huh.
potato. Then,
Yeah.
then when it's done, then
Yeah.
when it's still warm, you put butter
Yeah.
and salt and pepper, and then
Yes.
you mix it. Then you take mayonnaise and you put it in. You mix it. Then you
Yes.
boil egg, and then you chop the egg up and sprinkle, and
Yes.
then when it's cool, you put it in the fridge, and then you serve it cold with the meat. It's very nice.
I
Yeah.
like the idea, except the egg.
You don't have to put the egg if you don't like it. You can take it out. Some people-
Maybe. Do you heard about compare?
Mhm.
Like compare?
Yes. Uh-huh.
Do you hear about compare? Boiling potato and cut
Yes.
from the center, and
Yes.
put it the mayonnaise and the beans and
Oh, yes.
wherever you want to put anything.
Yes. That sounds
Yes.
delicious. That's making me hungry now. All this talk about food.
Yes. Oh.
After your barbecue, will you have dessert? Will you have something sweet to eat after or not?
No, we don't eat after a barbecue dessert, because the barbecue will make my stomach is very full.
Very full, yes.
Yeah,
Ah,
I don't have space to another piece of.
I know. But the children, they're coming. I want ice cream. I want chocolate. I want.
Yeah, yes, of course, of course. We have a dessert.
Yes.
So I am make a diet. So
You're on a diet. Okay. Yes.
yeah,
Me
because
too.
I have a good shape body, and I want to be good health.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
Me too. I decided. So yesterday, on the
Yes.
1st of January, I ate many very bad things. I had
Oh,
biscuits and cake and everything. I said, yesterday I'm eating everything. Today,
yes.
this is the new year today. So I've been very good.
Yes.
I had tea this morning, then I had porridge. So I'm very healthy now. Today is the new year.
Yeah, when the parties comes, all the diet rules is cut
Yes.
down.
Yes, they're all gone. Yes,
Yeah.
I know. And it's very bad to eat
Y-
badly because usually I don't eat
Yes.
sugar. I don't eat sugar usually. But this holiday, we have had family from America. My husband's brother came on a
Yeah.
holiday, and his other brother came from Cape Town. And there's lots of food and, lots of sweet things in the house. So
Yeah.
then it doesn't make me feel good. I don't feel good. So that's why today I'm going to eat well.
Yeah. Keep your keep your health good.
Yes, yes, because you only have one life. You need to live it well.
Yes, of course. And have you play sport?
Yeah, I used to be a ballerina. Do you know ballerina?
No.
Ballet dancer like this. Let me show you a
Is
picture.
it machine or
Dancing like this.
your picture is freezing?
Oh, is it? Ah, you can't see. So, dancing. I used to be a dancer. So,
Uh-huh.
yeah.
Uh-huh.
And
Maybe maybe in after 1 hour, I see the video, and I review the video, and I see the picture. So
okay, okay, okay.
show me the picture.
Okay, I will show the picture.
Yeah, so I
And
will
then,
understand you.
yes, because it's yeah, it's dancing.
Yes.
So for many years I was a ballet dancer.
Yes.
And then I also like the gym. I go to the gym. I have a gym at home.
Uh-huh.
I exercise people at home too. I have people come to exercise with me at my home. So yeah,
Oh, so
good.
exciting.
Oh, our time's running out, Ahmed. That's terrible. Have a lovely
Yes.
day. Enjoy your
Yeah.
barbecue. I'm
Thank
jealous.
you. Thank you so much. Thank you
Nice to
so
meet
much. Good
you.
talk with you. Thank
Have a
you.
happy new year.
Goodbye. Happy New
Bye.
Year. Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye.